Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your SONY Xperia Pro-I. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and locate the search for the app and write Microsoft space Edge. Search. It's this app. Press install. When it's done, we can open it and start setting it up. So you can sync your PC or other devices to it by adding an account. I'm not gonna do that, I'm gonna do it later. We can accept to the sharing privacy things, like all the conditions and terms. Let's just do that, confirm. You can make the Microsoft Edge your default browser if you want. Yes, let's do it. And choose Edge from here, always. And now the browser is ready to be used. We can go to Google, Bing, or whatever website you want. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.